If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback. Every song's free to way. Cause that nigga paid the way. Niggas mimicking the city I was raised. Hold along without no homage getting paid. I mix the fruity pebbles with the hint though. Still up on that block but also indoor. Ever since I got it popping like a pinball. Everybody tryna be a nigga friend no. Circle tighter than the lifestyle. Family question in my lifestyle. Think my head is swelling cause I'm iced out. Ask me how I sleep, said what the lights out. Text me how I sleep, said what the lights off. Tryna get in a position, can't take nights off. I can shower shit and sleep, won't take the ice off. Constant reminder just to never set my sights off. If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback.
You guys see where I'm pulling up to, huh? Yeah, y'all see it. You guys know where I'm at. First and foremost, welcome back to another big video. But first and foremost, y'all, man, see by the title and thumbnail, man, looking for a bike. So I've been looking for a bike for about, well, I've been thinking about getting a bike for the past year. But I've been looking to get a bike for the past month. But it's my first time actually looking in person. So yeah, this will be my first bike. I rode a dirt bike before, but that's about it. Now I've never ridden an actual bike. But as you know, at Reflections, they have Rikers there, the three-wheel motorcycle, the Riker. I love those. I'd rather drive that safely, but those, you don't really have fun on those as you do on like a motorcycle. So I've been looking at motorcycles. As my first bike, I don't want nothing too low of power because I'm gonna learn to bike quick, and then I'm gonna want to upgrade to something with more power. So I'm looking in between 600 and obviously I don't want 1,000 right now, but I might just have to look into 1,000. But I'm not. But because the thing is, with thousands, you don't have to like really like move like the throttle as much because it already has power compared to like a 500, 600. All those you really gotta like twist the throttle. So that's why most people get like whiskey throttle. But are they even open?
No. Oh shit.
Oh damn, they closed Sunday. Oh damn, what the fuck? I didn't know they was closed Sunday. Oh shit, what the fuck am I doing here?
12 seconds later.
Alright y'all, so I got to the only place that's open today. It is a Honda bike dealership. So I'm about to run inside. But outside, I see there's a C8 right here. But, yeah, let's see what they got going on in here.
So I'd like these two for you.
The CBR?
CBR 500s.
Yeah, I actually seen this one. I was actually looking at this one, but it was a different color. Yeah, I like the way it looked. It was these two, right?
Yeah.
I do like this one. And it's a 500, you said?
Yeah. 500s, 2 cylinders. Enough power for the freeway. Enough power for the canyons.
I don't know if I'll take the canyons for a while.
But,
yeah, the canyons a little scary.
But a lot of fun.
Yeah.
But not crazy.
Yeah. I like the black. That black. I like the black with the red. Dang. Yeah, I like this one. Yeah, I do like the black with the dry carbon on it. Yeah, I do like that one. Yeah, so like our bikes like good on gas or no? I don't know how bikes work with gas.
This will get 75 miles a gallon.
Oh dang! How big is the thing? Like 5 gallons?
3 gallons.
That's not bad. That's actually that's better than my Honda I have now with 10-gallon tank. Yeah, I do like this one. I like this one. Price for this one? 8596. And then how would the financing work and all that?
Do you know what your credit score is, Sway?
No, I do not actually. Because I went to the dealer probably like a month ago. It was in the sixes, like the low six maybe, I would say. Yeah, I don't know where it's at right now because I was looking to get a car, say around my credit, like a shit ton. So I dropped it. Yeah, I do like this one, man. Yeah. The white one. And then what was I gonna say? And are these all the bikes you guys have?
We have more come in every week. We get new
Yeah.
shipments.
Okay.
But
And then
they only come in these two colors for the 500.
okay. Yeah, I'm fine with the black. The
Yeah.
black is more like a
These
stealthy.
two bikes have 190 mile an hour top speed.
Oh yeah, I'm cool. I'm not doing that. I'll probably
So
yeah. This would probably be the safest choice for me.
so these are sport track bikes.
Okay. And
These are sport street bikes.
okay.
So
Yeah, I'd probably be safer with
yeah, these you can go right to the track.
yeah. Just go straight to it. Yeah, I
And
do
we
like
have
this.
smaller sport bikes, but I think they're a little too small for you. Like
Yeah.
this is a 300, a little cheaper, but 3 months and you'll say,
Yeah.
Robert, give me the 500. You know?
Yeah, that's why I was like, I rather like jump into something where it has like enough power to where I can still like learn and still have fun on than just get like a low power bike and just be like, after a month, damn, yeah, I should have got a bigger bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, so probably yeah. What time? What time you guys open tomorrow?
9 o'clock.
9. Cause I'll come back tomorrow. This is I do like this one. This is.
Yeah, that one's not gonna last. We never know when we get another
Yeah,
one.
exactly. Yeah. Yeah, so I'll come back tomorrow for sure. And then it's what is it 21? Yeah. Oh, it's brand new. Yeah. I gotta come back tomorrow.
Alpine starting everything, invest.
Yeah,
That's what
exactly,
You have
yeah.
to do. You have to invest. And never have the mentality
Yeah.
that you're expert and you already know everything.
Yeah.
Because
I definitely don't know bikes. Yeah.
In the experience
Yeah.
is your experience is minute by minute.
Yeah.
The right now.
Yeah, that's true.
And
Yeah.
you know what?
Because bikes is different.
Never be in the rush.
Yeah.
If you're gonna race, then go to a racetrack,
Yeah.
pick up a day,
Yeah, let's go.
then you're safe.
Yeah.
Never be in the rush. If you're gonna be late, might as well take the car.
Yeah, you might as well.
Because
Because a bike is like there's no seatbelt or nothing.
do it.
There's nothing.
And then, I rode for several years and everything.
Oh dang.
And it's just a matter of having the safety.
Yeah. Have you ever crashed?
Yeah, yeah, I did.
Oh yeah, because I feel like eventually all bikers gonna crash at least like once in their life,
Or
whether
you
it's
fall
like
down or something.
yeah,
like
whether
that, but-
yeah, like tipping a bike, something is gonna happen.
And the good of the gear is that if it's gonna be leather is the best protection you can get.
Yeah.
Because they race with leather, and when they go down, the
just
leather
slides.
helps you to slide.
Yeah,
And
'cause
then
I
you
done seen
just-
people,
exactly,
arms.
and get a good helmet. And if you get a good helmet,
Yes,
let's
what's
say-
like the best helmet to get then?
I will say for that bike, for that purpose, it will be this one here. This one doesn't come with the lens or none like that.
I'm cool with that. But
But
looks
the
good,
deal
though.
is this here.
yeah.
Those unlike that one that has mechanical pieces.
Mm-hmm.
If you hit with this one,
Mm-hmm.
the helmet stays in one piece. With that, no.
Oh yeah, because
Exactly.
there's multiple pieces in one.
Yeah,
going on.
exactly.
Yeah.
It has hollow here,
Yeah.
and then this one here. Let's say for the riding the south that you're gonna be doing,
Yeah.
something's sorry.
Yeah, because I'm gonna be chilling the first like couple months because it's like
Yeah, exactly.
like,
That's the way to go.
your first bike. I don't want to go hurt myself already, so I'm like, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because the only ever like bike I rode was like a dirt bike, but that's way lighter and way just like, way easier.
The good thing, you already have the experience.
Yeah,
The only thing now you're gonna do is just make sure you take your time, and because you know what, you and your vehicle becomes one eventually. After
Exactly.
the habit of riding and everything, it just you know, it's just like your person. You know.
that is true.
Yeah.
That
and
is
then
true.
once you get to that point and everything, then you know. But my advice is, you know, always take your time. Never be late. Never rush on the bike. Nothing like that. Always.
Oh yeah, because I was scared to get a bike because I'm like a, how do you say it? Well, because I'm a car. I'm like a I'm not a like a I'm a good driver, but I'm like a speed. So I like to like.
Oh, you're
speed.
aggressive.
Yeah, that's where I'm an aggressive driver. So
Yeah.
that's the only thing I was scared of. I like about like getting a bike, but it's like with the bike, obviously I'm not gonna. There's no seatbelt, so it's like I'm not gonna. I don't think I'm gonna go crazy yet.
You use the skills. that
Yeah.
You're gonna build up. Depends the situations,
Yeah,
but you're never gonna use just one skill.
yeah, you gotta be. Yeah, you need all the skills at one time, all the time.
You know, even get the car, dude. Traffic. You know, you gotta be careful. You gotta study the traffic here and everything. You always have to look.
Yeah, that's because that's what I do in my car. Like I'm constantly
look.
looking like
And you-
ahead of me to like my main.
Yeah. And same principle.
Yeah.
Everything is safe. All right. Do you have any questions?
No.
All right.
No,
Then,
appreciate it.
We'll see you around, man.
Yeah, I'll come back
Because,
tomorrow. Worst case Tuesday or Wednesday.
Sure.
Yeah, because I want to get the
I'll
bike
be
sometime
here.
this week. Yeah.
Me myself, I'm just gonna begin locking up my section.
Yeah.
But welcome, man. You can check around and everything.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. Take your time.
Appreciate it. Take care. Come outside, they got a C8 over here. That is pretty nice C8. Oh, but today is Halloween, y'all. So happy Halloween, man. Guess barely made it here, but I seen the bike I was looking for. One of the bikes I was looking for, they have it here. I did not know, first of all, how expensive that freaking bike gear was. Whew, I know safety is a priority, but I'm gonna be getting a little cheaper helmet because fuck, $300 for a helmet. Copyright. They trying to go get me copyrighted, man. But shout out to Lil Baby though. But yeah, but I guess you could say bikes is probably more of an expensive. Oh, shut up.
At any time by
How do you-
pressing the top
how do
button
you get rid of
again
this?
and saying a command.
Okay, yeah. Anyways, the bikes is a definitely more of an expensive hobby than cars because $300 for a helmet. I'm definitely gonna buy some gloves, the helmet, and like the little the front and shit, the back padding, whatever. But yeah, I don't. Yeah. Cause also I'm buying the bikes look cool, but plus I always wanted a bike. So yeah, I'm not finna be like one of them people. You see it in canyons. I'm not gonna lie, my car be scraping everything. I scrape on a freeway. I scrape on literally everything, man. But yeah, I gotta come back in the morning. Cause I'm probably come back Tuesday. I ain't gonna lie, cause tomorrow morning I am busy tomorrow. So I'm gonna probably have to come back in the morning on Tuesday or Wednesday. I don't want to put car myself, but it's my first bike. I will drop the bike, and I don't want to drop a brand new bike and instantly lose value. So I'm gonna probably go to Delama Motorsports in either Long Beach, cause yeah, they have a lot more selections, a lot more better financing. I know that because I've been doing my research for the past month. So yeah, I will be going there because man, they're going here to a direct Honda dealer for bikes. Yeah, no, but I might, depending on how much everything is there, how much you're talking. But Yeah, most likely I'm gonna end up there because I'd rather be safe with a used bike that's still obviously still has a warranty. I'm not gonna buy a bike without no warranty on it. So I'm gonna go there, go find me, because it's a lot cheaper. I don't want to spend $8,000 on a damn bike. I'd rather just pay off a damn car for that price. So fuck, man. I think I have a video I haven't even posted because I'm about to pass the dealership over here where the brand new 2022 Civics are at, and I was literally about to trade my car in, like, right there. I don't think I ever posted that video. I could easily put that up. I am slipping, man. Damn, because I for sure have 3 videos I never posted on YouTube that I can easily go ahead and all that, man.
If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback. Every song's free away, cause that nigga paid the way. Niggas mimicking the city I was raised. All along without no homage getting paid. I mix the fruity pebbles with the hint though. Still up on that block but also indoor. Ever since I got it popping like a pimple. Everybody tryna be a nigga friend no. Circle tighter than the lifestyle. Family question in my lifestyle. Think my head is swelling cause I'm iced out. Ask me how I sleep, said with the lights off. Ask me how I sleep, said with the lights off. Tryna get in a position, can't take nights off. I can shower shit and sleep, won't take the ice off. Constant reminder just to never set my sights off. If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really